Footnote 1 to 5. It is impossible not to marvel at the hard heartedness and indiscretion of the medical men in many establishments for patients of this kind. Who, without attempting to discover the true and only efficacious mode of curing such a diseases, which is by homeopathic medical antisoric means, content themselves with torturing these most pitiable of all human beings with the most violent blows and other painful torments by this unconscious by this unconscientious and revolting procedure, they debase themselves beneath the level of the turnkeys in a house of correction. For the latter inflict such a as the duty devolving on their office and on criminals only whilst the former appear from a humiliating conscientiousness of their uselessness as physicians only to vent their spite at the supposed incurability of mental diseases in harshness toward the pitiable innocent sufferer, for they are too ignorant to be of any use and too indolent to adopt a judicious mode of treatment. Explanation. It is impossible to wonder at the hard heartedness, unsympathetic, and lack of judgment in the behavior of the doctor in many aspects for the patients of such kind sufferings from mental and emotional diseases. Such doctors follows painful treatment such as torturing these most pitiable human beings with the most violent blows and other painful torments without attempting to discover the true and only efficacious mode of curing such a disease, which is by homeopathic antisoric medicines. They keep their conscientiousness aside by these disgusting procedures by degrade themselves beneath the level of the jailer of the jail. But the jailer inflicts such a punishment as his duty in their workplace only and on criminals only, while the physicians or doctors does not behavior by humiliating their conscientiousness of their uselessness as physicians. They do behave in such a violent manner to let out their hurt feelings at the supposed incurability of the mental disease in harshness towards the pitiable innocent sufferers, because they are too ignorant to be of any use, means they don't know what they can do for such a patients. They are too indolent, do not take even little efforts, or do not even think to adopt judicious mode of treatment.